Understanding Nerves of Steel, a guide for English learners. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, nerves of steel. This video will explore its meaning, origin, and how you can use it in everyday conversation. Whether you're a beginner or advanced learner, understanding such phrases can really add flair to your English skills. Nerves of steel is an idiomatic expression used to describe someone who is very calm and brave, especially in a difficult situation. It implies that the person can handle stress, pressure, or fear without becoming anxious or losing their cool. Think of it as a metaphor. Just as steel is a strong and unyielding material, a person with nerves of steel is emotionally strong and doesn't easily give in to fear or anxiety. This phrase likely originated from the literal strength and resilience of steel, a common material used in construction and industry for its durability. Over time, steel became a metaphor for emotional strength and stability. The phrase, nerves of steel, captures the essence of being unshakable or imperturbable in challenging situations. Let's see how nerves of steel can be used in different contexts. 1. In emergency situations, the firefighter had nerves of steel as he rescued people from the burning building. 2. In high-pressure jobs, you need nerves of steel to be a successful surgeon. 3. In everyday challenges, she showed she had nerves of steel when she calmly handled the crisis at work. These examples show that the phrase can be used in various situations, from dramatic to everyday life challenges. There are several phrases with similar meanings. Cool as a cucumber, staying calm under pressure. Ice in one's veins, showing no emotion in stressful situations. Unflappable, not easily upset or confused. Understanding these can enrich your conversational skills and help you express ideas more vividly. That's all about nerves of steel. Now you know how to use this phrase to describe someone's remarkable calmness and courage. Remember, learning idiomatic expressions is a great way to sound more like a native speaker. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using phrases like nerves of steel with ease. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful.